In this video, we'll see an example how to display names of all the sheets in your workbook with the help of for loop. So let us see that example. Now I've written some code at the back end. So I'll go to this developer tab, click on this Visual Basic, and that's the code which I've written. That is sub procedure sheets name. If you want, you can change the name of this sub procedure also. Now what is the code here? That is for x equal to 1 to this workbook dot sheets dot count. Now for x equal to 1, it will start from the number 1, it will stop till the number of count. So this workbook is what? This workbook means the place where you have written this macro, this code, that workbook becomes this workbook. Okay, so this workbook, that means this Excel VBA, this workbook dot sheets dot count. So if you see here, the count here will become as total 6. So from x equal to 6, message box, this workbook, that is Excel VBA workbook dot sheets of x, that is the number of sheet dot name, the first sheet, second sheet dot name, and then it will go for the next. So let us see that if I want to execute step by step, what is the answer I'll get. I'll keep my cursor here and I'll click on this F8, the shortcut key that is for step into. Again I'll click on this F8, again I'll click on this F8. Now when I keep on executing this using this F8, now the cursor is at message box, this workbook sheets.x. Now if I want to see what is the count, I can just keep my cursor at this place. If I keep my cursor at this place, it says this workbook.sheets.count equal to 6. That means the count is 6. It will execute for how many times? It will execute from x equal to 1 to 6 itself. Now again I'll press step into. Okay, so if you see, the first name of the sheet is sheet 1. If you observe, that's a sheet 1. I'll click on OK. Again I'll click on step into. Now the second name is sheet 2. I'll click on OK. Again step into sheet 3. I've got the sheet 3, and again I'll click on this step into. Now it is hello world. So fourth sheet is hello world. So step by step it is giving me the answer itself. Now if I want, I can execute. I'll just click on this run button. Okay, sheet 5 and sheet 4, and finally it is been executed. So this way we can get a count of all the sheets using the for loop. I hope you have understood. That's all for this video.